In this video, I'm going to talk about why you should not upgrade to Galaxy Watch 9 if you already have the Galaxy Watch 8. And in the second part, I'm going to answer exactly who should be buying the Galaxy Watch 9. Let's get right into it. Starting with the first question, the reasons not to upgrade to Galaxy Watch 9 from the Galaxy Watch 8. The most obvious reasons hits you the second you look at the watch. The design is exactly the same. There is absolutely no difference in the chassis, the button placement, or the overall aesthetics of the watch. If you put them side by side on a desk, you wouldn't be able to tell which one is the newer model. You are paying for a brand new generation, but you aren't getting a fresh look to go with it. Next, when we look inside, the battery is marginally bigger, bumping up to 390 mAh on the 40mm and 445 mAh on the 44mm. But in terms of real-world battery life, there is not much of a difference as tested by many, because the new internal hardware draws a similar amount of power. That slight capacity increase just balances out the load. You are still going to be charging this watch at the exact same frequency as your Watch 8. Next, the brand new Snapdragon Wear Elite or Elite chip is heavily marketed, but it is not making much of a difference when it comes to your daily usage. Whether you are opening applications, scrolling through your daily tiles, swiping away notifications, or pulling down the quick panel, everything works and feels practically identical to the Exynos W1000 chip found in the Watch 8. The day-to-day fluidity is great on both, meaning the new silicon doesn't give you a noticeably faster experience right now. Next, there are also zero improvements in charging speeds. Both the Galaxy Watch 8 and the Galaxy Watch 9 are capped at 10-watt wireless charging. If you place them on their magnetic pucks right now, both watches will take roughly an hour and a half to 2 hours to charge from 0 to 100%. There is no fast charging revolution here to save your time before you head out the door. You will also find no improvements in display brightness. The Galaxy Watch 9 peaks at 3000 nits, which is undeniably fantastic, more than enough for regular use under direct sunlight. However, that exact same 3000 nit peak brightness is already available on your Galaxy Watch 8. You are getting the exact same visual experience outdoors. Finally, even though the health-centric features are slightly more advanced on the Watch 9, bringing in new AI-generated wellness reports and analytics, I'm pretty sure most of us can live without it. The Watch 8 already tracks your core metrics accurately, and dropping hundreds of dollars just to have an AI summarize your sleep or heart rate slightly differently simply isn't worth the upgrade cost. Now, let's flip the script. Who should be buying the Galaxy Watch 9? If you have a Galaxy Watch 4, 5, 6 or 7 and you are planning to upgrade to the next gen Galaxy Watch, then you must go for the Galaxy Watch 9. Here are the reasons why. First, you are getting the latest Snapdragon Wear Elite or Elite chip. While Watch 8 users might not feel the difference today, coming from older Exynos processors, especially the Galaxy Watch 4, 5 and 6, this is a massive leap in speed and efficiency. The Galaxy Watch 7 users may not notice much of a difference because they rock the Exynos W1000 chip like the Galaxy Watch 8, but for the predecessors, definitely this is going to make a lot of difference. More importantly, this architecture is designed to handle future software upgrades much better. Considering we will undoubtedly have heavier AI integration on our wrists in the coming years, having this Snapdragon chip is pretty important for future-proofing your device. Second, you are getting 5 solid years of guaranteed software updates. If you are currently sitting on Watch 4 or 5, your update window is either completely shut or closing in a year. Jumping to the Watch 9 resets that clock, ensuring you get the newest version of Wear OS and One UI for half a decade. Third, the Galaxy Watch 9 comes with some brand new, highly specialized health features. You are getting the new environment noise measurement tool specifically designed for ear health, alongside comprehensive AI-driven vital tracking and the brand new antioxidant index monitoring, heart health tracking, etc. These are exclusively to the latest hardware and offer a much deeper dive into your overall wellness than older Galaxy watches ever could. Lastly, you are getting a massive upgrade on screen brightness. If you are upgrading from the Galaxy Watch 5, you are jumping from a modest 1000 nits. If you are coming from the Watch 6 or the Watch 7, you are stepping up from 2000 nits. Moving from those older panels to a brighter 3000 nits on the Watch 9 is a night and day difference, completely eliminating screen glare when you are checking your watch outdoors. These are the reasons why you should be upgrading from a Galaxy Watch 4, 5, 6 or maybe even 7. These are just my thoughts and my opinion. Let me know what do you think about this. Are you upgrading to Galaxy Watch 9? From which watch are you upgrading? Do share it in the comment section. And do share your thoughts so that the community can get benefited. That's all I have here. Hope you have already downloaded our Volverse wallpaper application. The link for that is in the description. Do go ahead and check it out. We keep adding new wallpapers almost every day so that you don't get bored of it. And we have got some fantastic collections as well. So do go ahead and check out the app. The link is in the description. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button if you find this video informative. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one soon. Cheers. Bye-bye.